Hello, succulent enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of SENECIO Herreianus Ruby Necklace, a captivating succulent that adds a touch of elegance to your collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of succulents. Let's start by unraveling the description of SENECIO Herreianus Ruby Necklace. This succulent is celebrated for its trailing stems adorned with small, round leaves that resemble strings of ruby-like beads. With its cascading habit and jewel-toned foliage, the ruby necklace adds a touch of charm and natural beauty to any succulent collection. It's known for its resilience and ornamental value, making it a standout in the world of botanical wonders. While SENECIO Herreianus varieties are primarily grown for ornamental purposes, succulents, in general, are not known for significant medicinal uses or notable nutrient values. These plants are appreciated for their distinctive form and adaptability. In terms of companion planting, ruby necklace can complement other succulents or drought-tolerant plants, creating visually appealing arrangements. Whether spilling over the edges of containers or hanging baskets or used as ground cover, this succulent adds a touch of elegance to diverse garden settings. This succulent thrives in well-drained soil with bright, indirect light. It's relatively low maintenance, requiring infrequent watering and protection from harsh afternoon sunlight. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and allowing proper airflow are crucial for its well-being. The ruby necklace adapts well to hanging baskets, containers, and indoor settings, bringing a touch of elegance to your succulent collection. Thank you for joining us on this succulent journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy succulent gardening.